Hi, my name is Gopalakrishnan and I have been marketing online for over 15 years. In the last few years, I've seen a dramatic shift in online marketing for small businesses. I am convinced that if you want to reach out to potential customers, make engaging content, drive viral traffic and build a loyal customer base, video is the only answer. The problem is creating high quality video has always been expensive or technically intimidating. In fact, I avoided creating marketing videos for almost 3 years because I assumed it will cost a bomb and that I would need some kind of a degree to understand all the technical jargon that most video professionals seem eager to throw at your face. As a result, I missed out on huge opportunities to market my business and products cheaply with online video. Recently, however, I began to experiment on how I can make the same high quality videos as the professionals with nothing more than my laptop, smartphone and everyday tools in my home or office. The results are shocking and will forever change the future of my business. You see, I discovered that with the right tools and know-how, I can create amazing videos that are high quality, clear and engaging very easily. I took all the knowledge and insider secrets I have gained and put my heart and soul into creating this course. So here are 5 reasons why you should enroll in this course. First, this course was developed for the average person who does not have much know-how in audio or video production. So I keep it really simple and only go into the theory parts if they are really needed. This helps you get stuff done and get your videos out quickly and start seeing results fast. Second, this course is for people who want to give video marketing a try or a shot before deciding to really invest in it. That's why my entire course teaches you how to create amazing high quality videos under a $100 budget. All the tools I use are basic and you probably already have them. Now third, I keep everything short and to the point with real examples. I also provide supporting material and useful resources that will not only help you learn better, but much faster. Fourth, I help you come out with out-of-the-box ideas that are so simple and effective, you will not believe the amazing results they produce. In fact, a lot of the tactics I share will make even the most seasoned video professional turn green with envy. And fifth, I welcome feedback and encourage conversations in this course. So it's not like you're alone in this. Ask me a question and I will do my best to answer within 24 hours guarantee. Other students are also more than eager to help you out. When I discover a new tool or technique, I will add it to this course. And most importantly, I hold nothing back. I admit that I'm not a video expert and I was never professionally trained in anything related to audio or video production. But the fact is, technology has come such a long way that the average person can create amazing videos with so little money and technical knowledge. All you need is some insider tips and real-life how-to examples to help you get started. It has taken me months to figure out all the things I'm about to teach you in this course. In fact, it also cost me quite a sum because I tried and failed with so many different tools and software. By enrolling in this course, you will be able to avoid making the same silly mistakes and get the most out of your video marketing efforts in no time. I guarantee that this course will meet your expectations, but it also comes with a no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee just to assure you that you are never at risk. As I add more videos and lectures, the price of this course will go up and up. So I strongly recommend that you join now and get access to all future videos in this course at no additional cost. See you in the Students Lounge where I will be waiting for your questions and feedback.